Hello everyone. Today I'll teach you science page number 12, parts of a plant. Now in this lesson we'll learn more about parts of the plant. As we say plant, what comes in front of you? This way something? Stem, leaf, flower, a plant with a fruit from where we get the seed and root. In this chapter, today we are going to learn about root. Now, the part of a plant which lies under the ground is called root. Which part of the plant is called root? The part which is under the ground, that is called root. Now, in this chapter we will learn there are two types of roots. Which are they? One is tap root and one is fibrous root. Now in this also, what is tap root? A root in which a small one main root will be there. From there a tiny hair sort of will come, that is tap root or tap root. And other we had fibrous root. In this, like a small thread this way, you will see the roots. And what roots do for the plant? Why roots are so important for the plant? They absorb the minerals, proteins from where? From the fibers from the soil, and it passes to and it gives to the plant, and that helps the plant to grow. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. What is the other function of the root? It holds the plant firmly in the soil. If you try to plug the this plant, what will happen? You'll need some pressure. Easily it won't come. Why? Because the root that holds the soil, and it helps the plant to be in the soil. For example, some plants store food. We eat these types of root. Some roots are there which store the food in it, like carrot, radish, which we eat. Now what you have to do, you have to draw a diagram from page number 12. You have to write the lesson name. You have to draw parts of plant in this. Down there is a definition of roots, a part of a plant which lies under the ground, that is called root. This you have to learn. In the second part now we will learn more about the stem. Now what is stem? A part of a plant that grow above the ground. Now this part which is above the ground is called the stem. What it do? It holds the plant upright and carries water and minerals from roots to all the parts of the plant. How the stem helps? It carries water and minerals from the root to all the parts of the plant. Stem of the trees are strong and thick. When it comes to tree means with a big stem. When we are talking about shrubs, that means for example you have seen the rose plant. Its stems are small. And of herbs like coriander and all, we have a thin stem of them. This way we have three types of stem. One is of tree, that we call trunk. Of rose plant, that we call shrub. And the small with a thin stem, that we call herb. And what is the functions of the now stem that we will learn? Stem hold the plant upright above the ground. What the stem do? It hold the plant upright. The stem of the bear leaves bud, flowers and fruit. It carries nutrients and water from the root to all the parts of the plant. It also takes food made by the leaves to other part. How the stem help? Whatever food is made by the plant, by the leaves, it passes to the other parts. Now we will learn more about leaf. What are the leaves? A leaf is an important part of a plant. It prepares food for the plant. A leaf is also called a kitchen or a food factory of the plant. What is leaf called? Kitchen or a food factory of the plant. Now parts of a leaf. In next video I will teach you more about leaf.